Okay children, in this previous exercise we have find it out the word ends with A and word ends with E. Okay, and this is the exercise. Here the two sound was having I and E, but the I and E's are the two sound but in a single word. Okay, the Y, sometimes the Y sounds like I and sometimes the Y sounds like E. Okay children, okay, there are two sounds, okay, I and E. Sometimes Y sounds like I, Y sounds like E. Okay, here the set of word was given in the circle, like a circle. Okay, just first read it out the each and every word loudly, then we are going to find it out the Y, whether the Y is giving a I sound or whether Y is giving a E sound. Let's find it out. Okay, first I am going to tell the each and every word loudly. Cry, C-R-Y, cry. The end of the word Y giving the I sound, isn't it? Cry, cry, C-R-Y, cry. Okay, let's see this. This is jelly, jelly, J-E-L-L-Y, jelly, jelly. The Y gives the E sound, jelly. Okay, let's see this. This is S-H-Y, shy, shy. You are getting the Y sound I or the Y sound E, shy. You are getting, yes, shy, I sound. Okay, next tell me, this is ply. This is a ply, P-L-Y, ply, ply. Tell me whether the Y is giving the I sound or E sound. Ply, this is I sound. Okay, okay, let's see the next word. When, D, W-I-N-D-Y, windy. You are getting a E sound or I sound? Yes, you are getting a E sound. Okay, next this is A-P-P. If you are having a more than 3 letter, what I told you, you want to break the word like this. Apply, 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 apply. Okay, in this Y, you are getting the I sound or E sound? Apply, apply. Yes, you are getting the I sound. Okay, let's look it out. This is P-I-T-Y, pity, pity, P-I-T-Y, pity. You are getting the E sound or I sound from the word Y, from the letter Y. Pity. Yes, you are getting the E sound. Okay, let's move to the next word. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Okay, if you have more than 3 letter word, you are going to divide it like this. Sun, ni, sunny, sunny. You are getting the, at the end, Y, you are getting the E sound. Sunny, sunny. Okay, this is S-T-Y, stay. Stay. You are not getting the I sound, isn't it? Not stay. It's a stay. Stay. Getting a E sound. This is sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y. I've told you already, more than 3 letter, you want to divide it into, you want to break the word. I'm going to break it like this. Sticky, sticky, E, sticky. Okay, this is a E sound. You are getting E sound, sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. And this is happy, isn't it? Is everybody happy? Very good. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. happy. You are getting the E sound at the end of the word Y. Okay. Okay, so far in this circle word, we have find it out the word Y ends with which sound. Whether the Y having the I sound or whether the Y having the E sound. The first step have been finished. Okay, the second step is we are going to make the line. We are going to draw a line from the appropriate box. Okay, this is a cry. This is the I one, isn't it? This is jelly. E. This is shy. Shy. This is ply. Ply. I sound. Windy. Windy. E sound. Apply. Apply. I sound. Pity. Pity. E sound. This is sunny. Not a sunny, it's a sunny. Sunny. E sound. Stay. Stay. E sound. Sticky. E sound. Happy. E sound. Okay. So in this exercise we have learnt it. The Y gives you two sounds. The Y gives you two sounds. One is I and one is E. Okay. Here the circle, isn't it? The circle of set of word has been given here. Some word, every word ending with Y, isn't it? Every word ending with Y. But some Y having the sound of the I and some word having the sound of E. Isn't it? Some Y having the sound of I and some Y having the sound of E. Is it okay, children? Did you understand what are the two sounds we having in the letter Y? Okay, and now you can know what are the letters having the I sound if the word ends with Y, and what are the word which have a E sound if it ends with Y. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, well then let's move to the next exercise. Okay, children, let's move to the next exercise. This is really a very interesting exercise. Let's see the exercise. Okay, before going into the exercise, let's read the heading. Read the words aloud. Okay, first we want to read the word loud. If the word ends with the letter A sound, write the word in the blue box. Okay, we want to read each and every letter loudly. If the word sounds A, then we want to write it on the blue box. Okay, if the word ends with the letter E sound, word ends with the letter E sound, then we want to write it on the orange box. Okay. At same time, if the word ends with I sound, we write it on the yellow box. Okay, first we are going to read each and every word loudly. Okay, and if you get A sound at end of the word, you can write it on the blue box. Okay, if you get a E sound at end of the word, you can write it on the orange box. If you get I sound at the end of the word, you can write it on the yellow box. This is the rule. Okay, this is the rule for this exercise. We go into it. Okay, let's read it each and every word loudly. Then we will think the end sound. Okay, first we can just read it out randomly. Chilly, chilly. CHILLY, chilly. 20, TWENTY, 20. Sty, STY, sty. Sly, SLY, sly. Sway, SWAY, sway. Tray, TRAY, tray. Clay, CLAY, L-A-Y, clay. Marry, M-A-R-R-Y, marry. Rocky, R-O-C-K-Y, rocky. Candy, C-A-N-D-Y, candy. Pay, P-A-Y, pay. Hay, H-A-Y, hay. Cry, C-R-Y, cry. Apply, A-P-P-L-Y, apply. Sky, S-K-Y, sky. Okay, so far we have just written the given words randomly. Now we are going to listen on which word the each and every word get ends. Okay, on which letter the each and every word gets end. Let's move to this step. Okay, this is chilly. Chilly. You're getting a E sound, isn't it? I'm just putting a E here. Getting a E sound. Chilly. Next, 20. 20. What sound you are getting, children? You can hear the E sound or A sound or I sound, children. 20. Yes, E sound. This is stay. 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 E sound. Okay, this is sly. Sly. What is sound you are getting? Sly. Yes, E sound. This is sway. S-W-A-Y. Sway. Sway. You are getting which sound? You are getting a E sound or I sound or A sound. Just open your mouth and tell me loudly. Sway. 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 Yes, A sound. Very good. Okay, listen to this. T-R-A-Y. Tray. 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 You're getting a A sound. Very nice. Okay, listen to this. This is clay. C-L-A-Y. Clay. Clay. What sound you are hearing, children? You are hearing a E sound or I sound or A sound. Clay. A. Clay. Yes, A sound. You are getting a sound. Marry. M-A-R-R-Y. Marry. Marry. You are getting which sound at the end of the word, children? Marry. Yes, E sound. Very nice. Rocky. R-O-C-K-Y. Rocky. Rocky. You are getting which sound? Yes, E sound. Okay, listen. This is a candy. Candy. Which sound you are getting? Yes, E sound. Candy. E. Pay. 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 It's not pay. 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 Yes, A sound. Hey. Hey. Yes, you are getting a A sound. Very nice. Many of them telling very correctly. And this is cry. Cry. I sound. Apply. Apply. Yes, I sound. Sky. Yes, you are getting a I sound. Very good. Okay, so far we just find it out the word which ends with which sound, isn't it? Whether the word ends with A sound or E sound or I sound, isn't it? Okay, let's write it on that particular boxes. It's a second step. Okay, so far we have just underlined it and we put it what sound it gets in. Now we are going to write it on their particular boxes, isn't it? If the word ends with A sound, then we want to write it on the blue box. If the word ends with the I sound, then we can write it on the yellow box. If the word ends with the E sound, we can write it on the orange box. Okay, children? Okay, let's do it. First one, what is the sway? Yes, S W A Y, sway. And this is tray, T R E Y, tray. And this is clay, C L A Y, clay. And this is pay, P A Y, pay. This is hay, H A Y, hay. Okay, next I sound. Cry, apply, and sky. Okay, next E sound. Chilly, 20. Next, stay. It's not a E sound, isn't it? And both are I sound. Sly and stay. Stay and sly. The both are I sound. The stay and the sly are getting I sound, isn't it? I've just written E sound. I sound. Okay. Stay, sly, I sound. Okay. So just write it on the I portion. Stay, sly. Okay. 20. Next one. Marry, you're getting a E sound, isn't it? Marry. Rocky also you're getting a E sound. And the next is candy. Okay, children, the sly, it's not a sly, it's a sly. It's getting a I sound, isn't it? Yes, now you can just correct it. Sty and sly, you're getting a I sound. Okay, children, did you understand what are the word which and the what letter sounds it's having? Okay, did you understand it well? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.